Okay, so in the first video, we created this cracked word, which is cool by itself. But we're going to add some lightning bolts, like what cracks it, right? So what we're going to do is I'm going to turn off here in the layers. I'm going to turn off okay, I'm going to turn off visibility here. But I'm going to turn on visibility here with the original um, text, okay? And then I'm going to click on the color fill, okay? So important, look and see where the visibility is, look to see where I have highlighted it. Here it is, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to create a lightning bolt, okay? So I'm going to go into my polygonal tool and I'm going to kind of do it like this. Remember, hopefully you're better at navigating this, but I'm going to just kind of take, uh, click on it, let go, kind of put it here, and then kind of push it here, and then put it here. So this is a pretty simple one. Okay, and then close it up. Okay. So there it is. So what I want to do is I want to still kind of go over to this circle that has half black, half white, and I want to click on it, and I'm going to go to solid color. And so black is the default. And what I want to do is make this kind of a blue in between these two colors. So I'm going to click on this, and I'm going to try out some different things. No, that's not bright enough. Okay, so that's what I want it to be. Okay. So that's what I'm doing. And so now I'm still highlighted here, right, in color fill 2. So it created, here's my lightning bolt on top of that, on top of color fill 1. So when I drew it, that's what happened here. So now I'm going to draw a bigger lightning bolt over it. So this is, I'm basically creating the artwork for my frame animation. So that's what I'm doing here. And I am going to come into here, do my polygonal tool, and create a bigger one. I'm going to go here. And this one's going to have like 2 jagged edges. Okay. And I'm going to change the color. So I'm going to come over here to the color, solid color. And you know what? I could try and find it, but look what happens if I move my cursor off of the color picker and over here, it turns into a dropper, like an ink dropper. So I'm going to carefully go to here where my previous color was, and I'm going to click on it, and it's going to make my lightning bolt that's on top, it's going to make it that color. So that's cool. And when I did that, it created another layer, color fill 3. Okay, so I have all kind of my different things here. Okay, so now, and I'm gonna kind of click out of color fill 3 because I just want to see color fill 3. So now I'm gonna make my final one. So I'm gonna make a much bigger one this time. So I've got my polygonal tool, and I'm going to all right. And then I'm going to do the same thing with the color picker. And instead of clicking in here, I'm going to come over to here and I'm going to look for my previous one. And then now I have, this is what this looks like now. I've got colorful 1, 2, 3, 4, all my artwork here. And then I have all of my cracks here. Okay. So a couple of things now I'm going to do. I'm going to go window and then I'm going to do timeline. Okay. And then down here where it says create video timeline, I'm going to, instead of that, I'm going to switch it to create a timeline from frames. Okay.